Good day guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will fly and unbox new Xiaomi drones called MiTu. Now this device costs relatively small, just for $79 so it's never been better time to take to the skies. MITU RC Quadcopter comes with the blue package, so let's unbox and see what we got. Quadcopter, Chinese user manual, the battery. Let's quickly assemble. Protective covers, USB charger and propellers. Now let's quickly assemble this. Look for the colors. The last one is protective case. Okay, ready. To use a smart device with your drone, you need to pair the smartphone or tablet with the drone. The application has the instruction for how to do this, and also you can always refer to Xiaomi user manual. And the FPV camera allows you to see where the drone is flying. And for the indoor flight, the altitude hold feature enables the drone to fly steadily and smoothly. This feature is good for new users. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. Xiaomi MiTu launched new RC Quadcopter with 920 mAh battery. Flying time is about 10 minutes and charging time 1 hour. 720p HD camera. The image resolution is 1600 by 1200 pixels and the video resolution is 1280 by 720 pixels. After all, I want to say this drone is perfect for fly, take pictures, but the highlight mode is infrared battles with your friend. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like it, support me with your likes and peace.